is up, YouTube? We are back at it again today with something a little different. It's gonna be like a little vlog rescue video and talk to you guys about some stuff, and curious to see how you guys think or what you guys think how I should do this, you know, because your opinion matters to me. So currently I am on my way to rescue Desiree's car. We were driving it the other day, and it decided that the slave cylinder was just gonna, the slave cylinder just decided to go away, disappear, stop working. Fortunately, this is kind of my fault. It's a lot of procrastination. I had a slave cylinder reservoir, hearts, or steel braided clutch lines and everything sitting in a box for about like 3 weeks. So my procrastination basically kind of left us stranded out, and thankfully not in the middle of nowhere, but way farther away from home than I'd wanted it to be. So I got all the tools loaded up in the back of the truck. At least I hope all the tools that I need to do the slave cylinder. I'm gonna replace the slave cylinder, get it bled, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Then I can do everything else at home and actually replace the reservoir and all that. But I do have a couple of questions for you guys. I'm preparing to put the supercharger on the Miata, and I'm wondering how you guys would like this content. So would you want a part by part, so we can break it down in small sections and have a little more shorter videos? Or do you just want one long video with the whole install process to get it over with, and anything that I, you know, my tips and tricks and stuff like that that I learned while installing this? My video will be a little different. Obviously it's on a race car, so I don't have all sorts of, you know, AC condenser, power steering, and all that stuff. But for the most part, it's going to be exactly what you need to know to install the Track Dog Racing Supercharger. But let me know in the comments. And by the power of YouTube and video magic, in like a second, we will be at Desiree's car, and we'll get it fixed. And I mean by a second, I mean by like 20 minutes for me, and exactly 0.1 second for you. There it is. All lonely like. The jack, extension cord just in case it goes in the night, all the tools. Yeah, so let's see what we can do. So we got the car lifted, and the culprit here is what I'm hoping is the slave cylinder right there. You can see there's a bunch of oil on it. I'm hoping it just finally, the valves went out or something, ate the shit. So I have like a steel braided brake line and all this stuff for this, but right now I'm just gonna replace this and hope that fixes the problem. I'm hoping it's not like something crazy and I wind up, you know, kind of being stuck here. So let's get these line going into the thing unscrewed, and these 2 bolts, and that should take this whole thing off. But before we do this, let's make sure this is the right part. As you can see, I literally have everything here. Got it all from Moss Miata. Relatively cheap. I think I got all this stuff for like 80 bucks. Let's verify if this is the same one. And yeah, looks to be the right one. Loosen this little 10mm right here. All right, well, a lot of things happened, so I couldn't film everything, but look at that. We got a clutch. Well, I say that right now. We'll test it here in a minute. Oh, don't mind the bump start I have to do. Ooh. All right, let's test this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got a clutch. Nice, nice. You know what we gotta do? When a Miata, top back, all the time. Sweet. All right, guys, moment of truth. We are gonna try to do this with one hand like a responsible adult. These UELs don't fit on the race car because, God, ISR makes a cool sounding exhaust. Like, it just sounds so good. I'm so jealous. just, everyone needs a freaking convertible in their life. You know, honestly, everybody at least needs to have a Miata one time in their life too, they can enjoy this, because it's a whole experience. I say this before, I say this again, I freaking love Miatas. Slow as they are, slow as they can be, you just, they're too much fun. Go buy a Miata, guys, or an S2000, but buy a Miata. Definitely a Miata. Anyways, guys, we are finally home. The car's home. Different day. It's kind of gloomy out today, but she's a one piece, and now we can focus on getting the other stuff that needs to be done to it. Like I said, guys, I know that wasn't normal video content. I just kind of wanted to do something a little different, and plus my channel is not going to just be install videos. Once the season gets going, there's going to be a lot more vlogging style content, you know, what it's going to be on track, off track, the things I did to improve myself, that sort of thing. So I kind of just thought I'd throw that in there and see how it goes. But I'm also, like I said, I'm also curious. Let me know how you guys would like to see the Track Dog Racing Supercharger install. Do you guys want to see it all at once? Do you guys want to see it in sections? Just let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see. I think I have an idea of how I want to do it, but I'm also just curious to see what you guys think, because, you know, you guys are important, and I would just generally like to see what you guys are thinking. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I will leave a link in the description to all my supporters stuff: Spike Performance fenders, hood louvers, AWR drop mounts, Track Dog Racing Supercharger. I'll leave every single one of those in the description below for you guys to check out. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you guys on the track. Peace.